how to build culture in a school community. I've personally worked with a community doing with 100K members, 10K members, and I built my own community to like 1.7K members. One of the 100K members, we got the star, and in my own community, I was top 5 in the category. So the reason I have Alex Mosey's picture here is because I like his definition of culture, which is just what gets rewarded and what gets punished. And I think a great way to kind of bring that across in a community is by what I call just like the three V's. So vision, where are people going? Values, how are they getting there? And what's the big bad villain, right? So an example of this for example, would be off the top of my head, 10K drop shipping. Yep, that's the vision. So there's things that come with that, right? It's not just like 10K drop shipping. It's like, well, why do you want to do 10K a month drop shipping? Well, because I want a business that I can run in 5 hours and I can have fun for the rest of my life. Not the rest of my life. I can have a good lifestyle, right? And then it's like, that's the dream or the vision. And it's different values that you can get there. And for the values, I would just instead of thinking up some fucking bullshit, just look at what you aspire to be. So, for example, I inspire for simplicity. So when I do school communities, I'm like, I just want to keep things simple. So that would be a value. I like having things be fun. So that would be another value, right? Different ways that you would get there. And then there's the big bad villain. So, for example, for the dropshipping, it'd be like other business models, people that tell you it doesn't work, people that tell you it's a scam, someone specific, for example, and basically you just want to build your own world, and from there, right, it can also translate into your content and other pieces. It's also very good for sales, and that's kind of my short synopsis on culture. So at least that's a really big part of it. All right. Yeah.